Hey guys, it's Cleshawn and welcome to my channel and welcome back to my returning subscribers. So you guys wanted to know how to pack for a vacation. Well, you're in luck because I am currently on vacation and I want to show you what I packed. Currently, I am in Brittany, France in a lovely little seaside resort town. It is so beautiful. The weather is nice and I really need to be outside enjoying it. But I wanted to be in here with you to show you what I packed really quickly. To get right into it, I tend to always use a 10 by 10 when I pack. And if you don't know what the 10 by 10 is, let me briefly tell you. So a 10 by 10 is quite simply 10 items, clothes and shoes, and usually you will get 10 different outfits for those 10 items. So on the channel I've done two versions. I've done the classic 10 by 10, again 10 items, clothes and shoes, and then I do what I call 10 by 10 expanded, where it's 10 pieces of clothes and then unlimited shoes. I have a formula for how to utilize those 10 items, like what are the best pieces to fit within those 10 items so you can get the maximum impact from your 10 by 10 collection. So first I'm going to tell you the formula that I use that is quite foolproof, and then I'm going to show you the 10 items that I packed for this trip. So one of the first things I do when I'm planning my trip is I create a note in my notes app on my phone with all of the things I need to remember for the trip, and one of those sections will always be a packing list. So in the top of it will be the 10 by 10 that I bring. And remember, you can get a minimum of 10 outfits with the 10 by 10, but you can get upwards of 20 outfits with a 10 by 10. So this works whether you're going away for like 5 days or 10 days or a whole month. So for these 10 items, I usually bring about 3 pairs of shoes. Sometimes I'll bring 2, it really depends. So let's say 2 to 3 shoes, and it's gonna be a sandal, it's going to be a dressy shoe, and it's going to be a sneaker. I always need those 3 shoes. Then I'm going to bring 2 bottoms. One of the bottoms is always jeans. I always travel with jeans. They are just the most versatile pants. You also have trousers or shorts. So if it's the summer, more than likely it's going to be shorts. However, even though the weather is like really lovely right now, it's going to be a little bit rainy on this trip. So I decided instead of shorts that I was just going to bring my handy pair of black trousers. So then I always bring a dress as well. And this dress, I always want it to be a bit adaptable or convertible, if you will. I like a dress that is going to do double duty. So it needs to, be a dress that you can wear as a skirt, or it's a dress that is a wrap dress that you can wear as maybe another top. It just can't be a dress that is just one note. So it has to be sort of an adaptable dress. Let's just call it that. I always bring 1 layering piece. And this layering piece is basically something that you layer with. And it's usually going to be a cardigan or a vest. And these are things that you can wear by themselves as a top as well as a layering piece. I always bring 1 sweatshirt or sweater depending on the weather and how warm I need that warmth layer to be. But you're always going to need a sweater or a sweatshirt for when it's cold. And then also it's a nice accessorizing piece. So I always bring a t-shirt, typically a white t-shirt, but it's going to be a t-shirt that can blend with anything within that 10 by 10. And the last thing I bring is what I call an interesting top. It could be whatever you need it to be, but it should be interesting. It should stand out a bit. Maybe it's the more fun piece in your wardrobe. Okay, to summarize, we have 3 pairs of shoes, 2 bottoms, 1 convertible dress, we have 1 layering piece, we have a sweater or a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, and then an interesting top. So let me show you the items that I brought. So this item is my short sleeve v-neck t-shirt. I got this one from COS, and I talked about it in my summer capsule, or actually my summer haul video. Definitely a good t-shirt for this 10 by 10. So this item is a short sleeve cardigan. It's in this olive green tone, and it's a nice breathable material. It sort of feels like linen, but it is mostly cotton. And this is from Massimo Dutti. And this one is my interesting top. So this is a Brittany striped shirt. Now, I would be remiss if I came to Brittany and did not bring my Brittany striped shirt. I had to dig deep in my wardrobe to get this because I actually haven't worn it in a while, but It's been waiting patiently to be worn, and I'm so happy that I brought it because it makes my outfits look so good for this trip. Another piece I brought was this blue Oxford that I just picked up from Massimo Dutti. I got this in spring, so this was a part of my spring haul, and it's perfect for this as a layering piece, especially when, you know, again, we're on the seaside, you're, you know, walking along the beach. It's always nice to have a little layering piece that works for the beach. This is a wool mohair sweater. I talked about this in my spring capsule video. Again, since I live in Sweden and right now I'm in Brittany, the weather is still not the best. It's not the hottest. So I knew I had to bring more of a wool sweater than a cotton sweater, just for those cold, breezy days, especially the wind, because it can be bone-chilling cold. For my bottoms, I have my black trousers. These are from Jerv Avenue, and they are a great pair of versatile trousers. And for my jeans, I have my Clean Eileen. They're sort of a 90s high-waisted jean, and they're a heavyweight denim, so really good for this weather that I'm in now. The last clothing item is this tube dress that I got from H&M, and it has a ruche top. And this dress I love to wear as a skirt. So it's one that I can wear as a dress and I can wear as a skirt, and it gives a little bit of visual interest, but I can also wear this as a swimsuit cover-up. So definitely an adaptable dress. So for this 10 by 10, instead of bringing 3 pairs of shoes, I decided to bring an additional top and then only have 2 pairs of shoes, which works for me. So the first pair are these ruched ballet flats that I got from Arquette. I got these years ago. I got a sole put on them so I wouldn't be slipping and sliding with the leather sole that came with it. And these are really good for dressing up an outfit. I can walk in these shoes, which is important. I'm not someone who's gonna bring heels on a vacation because I find them incredibly impractical. And when I travel, and it's mostly throughout Europe, you're gonna be walking so much and you really need comfortable shoes. No one is wearing heels, ever. I mean, there's very select and a very specific kind of person who's wearing heels on a vacation. Your average person, and even someone like me who, you know, cares about fashion, even I'm not bringing heels. But it is important to bring a dressy shoe. So these shoes were perfect for my 10 by 10 for this vacation. So the last pair of shoes that I brought were these Chuck 1970s, though actually I think they're just called 70s. As you can see, they are black. These are a black leather, and then they have this sort of like off-white detail. I knew I wanted to have some sneakers that were leather because it would be raining on and off while we were here, so these were perfect for that. And these are incredibly comfortable. I don't know if you've ever tried on the 70s, but they're much more comfortable than the regular Converse. So these shoes I recommend, and also they just have a very classic look, and I don't know, I just find them to be incredibly chic. One thing I wanted to add was that I actually always bring my thong sandals with me on any trip. Every trip I go on, I will bring these specific black, why do I have them backwards? No? Okay, good. I will bring these specific Havaianas. I love these thong sandals. They have a square toe, as you can see. But I always bring them to wear around the hotel room, and sometimes I wear them in the shower if I can't clean the shower floor, because I don't think, you know, the cleaners clean the floor, and I just, whatever, I'm a little bit of a germaphobe. So I will sometimes wear these in the shower as well. Anywho, sometimes if my outfit looks good with the thong sandals, then I might wear them outside as well. So I don't know if that's technically cheating with the 10 by 10, but this is definitely like a little bonus. And what I will say is, I'm not always incredibly strict. Sometimes I will allow myself an additional, let's say upwards of 3 items, somewhere between 1 and 3 items. I just feel that it can, these extra 3 items can really take my wardrobe to the next level. And again, it depends on where I'm going. You know, with these challenges, you have to do what works for you. I think the point is to use the things you already own and to maximize the things that you own, and not to overstuff your bag. So that's why a 10 by 10 is perfect. But you definitely can add another, like upwards of 3. I think if you add more than that, then you're not really doing the challenge anymore. But with those 3 items, I will say that you can always add another pair of shoes. I sometimes will add like a dress. It doesn't have to be a convertible dress. It can just be like a standout, just a beautiful dress. Because sometimes you like have a special night on the occasion and you just want to get really dressed up. So sometimes I'll bring a dress, and then I will always bring another pair of bottoms. So it'll be a pair of shoes, a dress, and then some bottom, whatever that is, another pair of pants or shorts or skirt, whatever. So definitely keep that in mind when you're doing these 10 by 10 challenges. In this outfit, as you can see, I'm wearing my t-shirt, jeans with my sneakers, and I brought my sweater as a layering piece. And I'm also using my trench coat as a part of the outfit. In this outfit, I'm wearing my lovely Brittany striped top with my jeans and my sneakers. And this was the second jacket that I brought. Again, it is vital to layer in this region of the world, so it made my outfit look good. Here, we're wearing the layering piece with the jeans and the sandals, and I borrowed my husband's cap, and I'm wearing my bonus sandals. In this lovely outfit, I'm wearing my button down with my jeans and my dressy shoes, and I decided to wear my fanny pack as a purse. In this outfit, we're wearing my handy dandy trousers with my button down and my bonus sandals. Such a cute and chic look. Here, we are wearing a t-shirt with the trousers and my bonus sandals, but I wanted to bring my second jacket to, have with me just in case it got cold. So definitely complemented the outfit, sort of an informal suit. In this outfit, I'm wearing my sweater. This was definitely appropriate for night because it got a little bit cold. So I love, love, love this outfit with the chucks especially. Here, I wanted to wear the layering piece again, and I wanted to dress the pants down with the sneakers, and I thought it was a cute look, and I put my scarf on for those windy days. In this easy breezy outfit, I'm wearing my skirt with my t-shirt and my sneakers. Just a cute and casual outfit. Loved it for when we were walking. This one was a bit of a dressier outfit. I wore my dress as a skirt, put on my dressy flats and my layering piece, and did my hair up. Felt really, really cute. This was probably my favorite outfit. The dress as a skirt with my Brittany striped top and my dressy flats. I just felt really, really beautiful. You really couldn't tell me anything. Here is just very casual beach wear, just the dress with the button up and my sandals. Definitely a casual outfit, but very chic. All right, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you next time.